Today I'll be showing you how to create the smooth transition effect in After Effects. So I have two clips right here from a little Tyler music video, and it's just going to be this one right here. So it's going to be our first clip and transitions to our second clip right here. The first thing I'm going to do is go to our second clip. Then I'm going to add S_prism lens. Add onto it. Then I'm actually going to push it to like right here. And then I'm going to go to our point right here. But you can see like it's kind of like right here. So I'm pretty sure it can make sense. Like if I move this one here, you can obviously tell it's moving our actual video right here that we have on the side. So I'm going to move something like this right here. Then we'll go to our geometry and put it on ellipse and bring up our softness. Once after that, I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to add an adjustment layer. I'm going to go ahead and add S_blur mode curves. And this is how we're going to create our actual transition effect. Go about like right here. I'm going to zoom in on our timeline to see our keyframes. Go over here to around our 17th frame and go to our warp X and put on reflect. You don't have to follow the same frame, so you want to follow like something kind of like this depending on your own clip. Go to our shift X and create our first timeline. Not our first timeline, our first keyframe by clicking on our time watch. To go about right here to where our second clip begins. I'm going to put our shift X to like 2000, so we actually get this nice smooth transition effect right here. Then I'm going to go about like maybe around right here. And I'm going to put it at 0. Then I'm going to zoom out, highlight all three of these keyframes, and press F9 on my keyboard to use these. Then go to my graph editor, and I'm going to make a simple graph right here. So once after you have some type of graph like this, obviously it's not the best graph. Just go and clean it up, and you got something like this. I'm going to go ahead and close out our graph editor. Then I'm going to go ahead and add our next effect, which is going to be directional blur. Drag it in. Zoom out right here. I'm going to use the same keyframes we just did right here. Go to our direction and put it at 90. Click on the time watch right here. Our first keyframe. Then go to the middle. And we're just going to increase our blur length a good amount. To around like, let's say 15. And then go all the way down here. Go to our blur length and put it at 0. Highlight these keyframes and easy use it. Let's see. It looks really smooth right now. I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to go ahead and add exposure. Drag it in right here. Go to our 17th frame over here. Click on our time watch to create our first keyframe. And go right here to our 23rd frame right here. And put it to like 4 or 5. The more you increase your exposure, the more brighter the flash is going to be. So I'm going to go like all the way right here. And just bring it down to 0. I like these two keyframes, and F9 to easy use it. And you get something like this. If you want, you can go ahead and just click our motion blur on our actual adjustment layer. It should look even more cleaner. Once after we're done making our transition effect, you can go ahead and make another, you can go ahead and make another adjustment layer right here. And I'm just going to add noise to give it like a bit more of a texture. Go right here, just show up, add noise, go down here, drag a noise, turn off our color noise, and bring it up to like around maybe 20 to 15. And just like that, you get a pretty nice and smooth transition effect to use for your next edit or even music video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, or even leave a comment on what effect you guys want to see next. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.